Hello, audience. Sorry if the screen's a little crooked. Well, it's been a weekend. Planning on making a couple more videos today. My fourth one. Wondering if I continue. Oh yeah. Whoa. It's a big gun. Big gun. Gatling gun. You know, I want to do you. I'm an easy kind of guy.
No weapon was more feared during the war than a devious gun created by Dr. Gatling.
Dude.
Named after its northern inventor.
I don't care. I don't care. Man, that crooked screen is bothering me. I hope it doesn't bother you guys. Yo, what's up, dude?
Man, we have reports the enemy has some sort of new weapon.
Cool.
One of these guns was used in the attack
Dude, he looks Japanese. The guy up to the right in this cut. Freaking Japanese. Am I supposed to be listening?
You need to capture that weapon and bring it to us. Otherwise, we're going to be badly outgunned.
Alright.
Enemy troops are crawling all over this area.
Yeah, man.
Good luck, soldier.
To you too, soldier. Watch me crank that. Watch me roll. Watch me crank that soldier up, boy. Oh, it's the Henry rifle. Which way do I go? Do I go? It's to go that way. What a bunch of bull honky. Where'd that guy go? Did I go this way? I'm just gonna go this way. Where'd he go? Going this way. Let's go this way. This way. Ha. So, you're just gonna... I love you, dude. You're freaking Japanese. Screw it. Come and get it. Get it out. You are gonna get it. Yeah, and the Henry rifle. I give people what they want. Whoa. Holy junk. Oh. Oh, in your face. In your face with my gun. In your face. Face. Dude, Star Wars is recreating the new tomorrow. Is this a Colt Rifle? Can I pick you up? I love you. Well, where did my friend go? You're just reloading the country. Come on, just jump. Can you shoot him, please? Can you please shoot him? Get away from my face! You disgrace! Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Let's get him. You ready to be mugged? I hope that hits your face. A couple thousand times. Okay, so I did go the right way. Good riddance. This video doesn't... Oh yeah, I'm gonna get you, Gatling gun. I'm gonna get you. Suck it. What am I shooting at? Good lord. Ah! Oh! Why did I reload? What is shooting at me? I'll beat you up. Am I talking too quietly? Ha! You can suck it. The Lord of Gravity, right here. You can't smack me because I smacked you first. That's right, you just got smacked. Colt Rifle! I'm sorry, Colt Rifle. This guy just has more ammo than you. Didn't see it coming now, did you? Dude, you want me to pick you up so badly. Where's the ammo for this? Yeah, come on. Where's the ammo? Where'd I kill that guy? Where'd I smack him? God diggity dang it. Let's go. What is shooting at me? You really want some. You got some. That's right. He smacked me. Came right over here. I don't give a crap. I'm so tired right now. Let's go. This way. Right or left? Right. Right's always the right way to go. Where's the... Woo! Skin my face. Hello, barrel of explosiveness. Why would you kill yourself? Is that part of the enemy? Dude, why is your voice like that? Cause I'm ugly. Dude, I love just finding these little shortcutificators. Oh, you are gonna get it now. Hello. Oh god. Oh god. I'm so dead. God. Dang it. Thanks for the update. Yes, accept. Oh, I have a headache. This has been interesting. So far, at least. Oh. Let's just shoot some things up. No! God dang it! Somebody could just run right on through it. But no! Stop shooting me, you biscuit! No, 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 no! God dang it. My Xbox controller is freaking out right now. It's having a miniature heart attack. Its batteries are dying. So, how's your day going? Mine's not going so well, as you can see. God dang it. Can I go this way, please? Please and thank you. Dude, I'm not going to fight. I'm a pacifist. Can you please shoot somebody, please? No, 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 no. Worst timing in the world. Oh, wait, you're my guy? Hey, dude. Sorry for shooting you there a couple thousand times.
You're not reloading fast enough.
Yes, I am. You're not reloading fast enough, god dang it. Crap, 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 crap. Crap. Crap, 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 crap. Dude, I am so out of shape. I need like an armor chest piece. Please stop shooting me. Good gracious. Colt rifle? Well, thanks. Dude, I really like the Henry rifle. I'm so sorry. Some people like Colt rifle, some people like Henry rifle. You like me because I have the freaking Russian accent. God dang you. Oh, ow, 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 ow. Ow. God. You still hurt me if I touch you? You're not gonna hurt me, boy. Gonna mug you? Get in shape! I like your jumping technique. The jumpification technique. What is shooting at me? Whoa. Can't hide forever. Whoa, worst timing in the world. You were really asking for it, boy. Was seriously nobody using the Henry rifle? Colt rifle, ammunition. Oh man, I love the Colt rifle. I love you too, Carter. Dude, we are the dream teamification. Me and my Colt rifle. Man, dude, that has to be... Never mind. Ah! Me and my Colt rifle. Awkward groaning. Me and my Colt rifle. Pick up its ammo. No, not the Henry rifle. That's offensive to my nature. Whoa, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Crap, 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 crap. Okay, I'm gonna pause it right now. I'm gonna hide in the corner. Cornerification hiding. Well, I guess I'll catch you on the flip side. Alright. Whoa, good lord. So many shots fired. Okay. See you on the flip side, bros. Peace off. Oh, wait, no, that's... No, catch you on the flip side. Bye-bye.